A copyright is attained when an original work is fixed in a tangible medium. Copyright law protects many things such as music, books, plays, movies, and more. The person or entity that creates the work is called the author. This author has exclusive rights to the work, meaning only they can reproduce, perform, display, derive, and distribute the work. Copyrights only last for a certain period of time. For individuals, the copyright is valid for their lifetime plus 70 years. For corporations, the copyright is valid for 120 years from the day of creation if unpublished, and 95 years if published. The reason why a copyright is only valid for a specific time is because of Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution. It states that Congress has the power to promote the progress of science and useful arts by securing for limited times to authors and inventors the exclusive rights to their respective writings and discoveries. Why only a limited time? To promote the advancement of mankind by allowing others to improve upon works once they are in the public domain. Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, Homer's The Odyssey, and Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa are all in the public domain and therefore have no copyright protection. This means anyone can play Beethoven's hallmark bum 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 bum. I'm personally okay with this only because there are only so many notes and so many ways to arrange them. But if someone blatantly copies the whole song, that's wrong. My view on books in the public domain are the same as music. In the case of The Odyssey by Homer, there are only so many love story scenarios that can be played out. I think we should be able to use the ideas of a man trying to return to his wife while facing unimaginable obstacles, but using the same characters in exact scenarios of a fictitious story should be protected. The same goes for the Mona Lisa. I think it's only okay to recreate a picture of a woman from that perspective, using the same colors and medium, but to repaint or reprint the Mona Lisa exactly and call it your own should be illegal. The movie Avatar and literary series Harry Potter are perfect examples of modern works that are and should be protected under copyright law. Yes, the basic plot of Avatar has been done over and over, but not in a way that James Cameron presented it. I'm sure some of the text in Harry Potter was inspired by previous literary works, but the way in which they were presented is unique. A modern example of copyright protection that annoys me has to do with the Beatles and Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson owns the publishing rights to most of the Beatles songs. I believe Michael abused these rights by going against what the Beatles stood for and allowed some of their songs to be played on commercials. In some of these commercials, the Beatles were singing against what the product in the commercial represented. Initial intention should not be thrown out.